because they wanted to see both of us.
Well, at least Miss Lauren did fine.
You know what's most important about this? Is because you guys had such big hearts. Not only was it fun to have a competition and it's going to be fun to watch us get slime, but you guys, because of your generosity, your big hearts, because you gave money, there are kids in other countries that are going to learn about Jesus, and that's what's important. So are you ready for the mess? Slime Miss Lauren!
Slime Miss Lauren! Slime Miss Lauren! Slime Miss Lauren! Here we go!
Oh wait, I didn't get the picture. Let's do it again.
What's up?
You missed the picture. Do it again.
That was Jello!